How to buy Blockworld token. Now this token came under the symbol of BWT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards for crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token is simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Binance Smart Chain. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitKit wallet. Go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. BNB chain, sorry. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. So after you find this, click on it. And here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BWT. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.